we are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today I want to share 9 custom projects for strategy quant for GBPUSD. Let's go check them out. We're on the blog on my website, which I will put the link for this in the description below. And we're gonna scroll down, and then you click on this guy right here. You can download all those from Dropbox in a zip file, unzip it, and you can load it into your strategy quant. Let's go take a look at it. We're in strategy quant, and we have all of those custom projects right here. GBPUSD, IC markets, that's what it's trained on. Daily version 1. We've got version 2, version 3, hour 1 with all the versions, and hour 4. And so there's 9 in total. Now, if you take a look at here at the strategies, and you can see there's 8, 176, and 0. It seems like with the daily charts, version 3 just cannot make great strategies. But for hour 1, all 3 of them can make strategies, some better than others. I think version 1 does the best, and version 3. And then with the hour 4 charts, also you can see that all of them make strategies. So I've been tweaking them, trying to make them better so that they all make strategies, but I just couldn't make the version 3 for the daily charts make anything. But you can adjust and try to change it and try to get it to make some strategies for you, but I think you'll have enough strategies. I mean, you only need 1 GBPUSD out of any of these, so yeah. So now you have Euro USD, and then now you have GBP USD. So you've got 2 down, and maybe 8 more to go. All you have to do is press the like button. That's it. It's so easy. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email or tell me how much you like these things, and I will move on to the next forex pair, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.